In this video, I'm going to show you how to add zip file to Wix. Now, the first thing you'd want to do is to open your Wix website editor. To add a zip file, all you need is to select a specific element that you wish to link the zip file into. So in this section, since we don't have any particular elements, we're just going to go ahead and add one. So to do that, we're just going to click on Add Elements, and then maybe go with a button right here. I'm just going to use this one right here since it says download. Click that, and then it should be added to our front page. Now I'm just going to resize this a little so that it's not so small. And then the next thing to do is to link our zip file. Now, whichever element this is, it can be a text, a button, a photo, whatever element, you can link the zip file into. So all you have to do is look for this icon right here that says link, click that, and then on this list, just select document right here. Now we're going to choose our zip file. So we're just going to go ahead and give that a click. And then right here, we can upload our zip file by clicking on Upload Media. Now we're just going to grab it from my computer. I have a Wix zip file right here. And we're just going to let that upload. Of course, even though it says media, this is still valid for other file types. So now that the upload is done, we're just going to go ahead and click on Add to Page. And then once it's linked, we can click Done. And our zip file can be downloaded by clicking on this download button right here. Now we're going to go ahead and test that by clicking on Preview, so that we'll know what it looks like on our web page. Now here on our web page, if we hover here and give that a click, you can see that it now downloaded a zip file. And that's about it. That's how you add a zip file on Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.